Find the equation and length of altitude from the vertex A.
Now check the vertices I have written correct on board.
1 second, sir.
2, 3, 4, minus 1, 1, 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what they are asking, find the equation of
Equation and length of altitude from the vertex A.
altitude. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
altitude, what is the meaning of altitude?
Sir, the height of the triangle.
Yes, height of triangle perpendicular from A.
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular from A we have drawn. This is its length and its equation we have to find. So any
Yes, sir.
suggestion?
Sir, for the point 2, comma 3, it will be y minus 3 equal to 1 x minus 2. 1 into x minus 2.
How one you got?
So the formula of slope. The slope is, so we are having the slope of 1, that's why.
Slope. To get Ayushi, how to get
Yes,
slope?
sir.
How to get slope of 80? Slope of this perpendicular line. How to get slope of 80? Anyone else in the class?
सर स्लोप ऑफ बीसी निकालेंगे पहले.
स्लोप ऑफ बी से निकालेंगे. यस, ये जेन्युइन चीज है जो पहली बार जो है सबसे पहले मुंह से यही शब्द निकलना चाहिए कि स्लोप ऑफ बी से निकालेंगे पहले और उसके बाद स्लोप ऑफ 80 निकालेंगे. Slope of BC will be, you know, M2 will be equal to how much? Yes, my voice is not there.
Yes, sir. Some external voice is also coming.
Oh, 1 minute. Let me check.
Now it is fine, sir.
Yes, is this now coming, students?
Yes,
Am
sir.
is it perfectly audible now? Yeah. Okay. So I'm asking that M2.
Sir, now you are not audible.
Some loose connection. Is this now? Now
Yes,
am I
sir.
audible?
Yes, sir, now audible.
Yes. Now audible now? Students, am I audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ओके. तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि स्लोप ऑफ BC M1 इक्वल टू -1, देन स्लोप ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर लाइन AD कैसे निकालेंगे? क्या फॉर्मूला? M2 इक्वल टू
-1 upon M1.
एग्जैक्टली -1 अपॉन M1 एंड -1 अपॉन -1 तो ये हो गया 1. ठीक है, तो स्लोप ऑफ AD हो गया 1. अब जो इक्वेशन ऑफ AD मैं लिख सकता हूँ, इक्वेशन ऑफ AD will be equal to y minus 1 point, equation of line passing through 1 point, slope I have got 1. ठीक है, इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा. x minus y, 3 also take in that side, plus 3 minus 2, it will be 1 equal to 0. So this is the equation of AD. So one work is done, but one more thing they are asking find out AD length. So how to get? Any idea, students? Any suggestion? Somebody suggest me, I'll follow that. How to get the length AD?
So distance of a point from the line formula.
Yes, Pravesh.
Point is 2, 3 and equation is of BC.
Yes. So then I need equation of BC. There is a formula. There is a formula, distance of point P. If this is visible, yeah, distance of point P from the line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. And if the point is X1, Y1, Praved, what is that formula, distance formula?
Sir, ax1 plus by1 plus c in modulus upon root of a square plus b square.
Bilkul, ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. This is the formula. Correct? No, some is but not visible, I think. Yeah, now it should be. So this is the formula. So I have a point, I have a line, but its equation I should have. Equation we do not have. So let us write equation of BC फटाफट. Equation of BC will be what?
X
Anyone
plus y
find?
minus 3 equals 0.
Yes. हाँ मतलब मैं निकाल रहा हूँ पहले. Suppose this I have taken x1 y1. तो y plus 1 equal to slope of BC ये रहा -1 into x plus minus 4. Simplify कर लीजिए. Y plus 1 is equal to minus x plus 4. X plus y plus 1 minus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. This is equation of BC. Okay. Then A point is 2, 3 and its distance, its perpendicular length, its perpendicular is line falling on the line BC. The length of this perpendicular can be obtained by using the formula. So let us apply. Length of perpendicular from 2, 3 on BC, whose equation is x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, is equal to, yes. So apply this formula and tell me what should I write? Can someone tell me?
So 1 into 2
Yes.
plus 1 into 3 minus 3
1 into
divided
x,
by,
yes, divided by root of x multiplier square.
so 1 square plus 1 square.
1 square plus 1 square. Yes. Simplify and it will give you the length of AD. Yeah. So this is going to be 3 plus 2, 5 minus 3 is 2 upon root 2 means root 2 units. Yeah. You can check it. I hope it should be right.
Yes,
Please
sir.
do it. Yes. Please do it, students, and check the answer. I hope it should be right. Yogit Sharma, are you there? Will you read question 18th? Yogit? Yogit Sharma? Seems Yogit Sharma is not active, not listening. Deepal, Manhar Bhai, Deepak, Deepal?
Yes, sir.
Deepal, are you getting these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Question number 18th, please read.
P of A, comma B is the midpoint of a line segment between axes. Show that equation of the line is x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 2.
Is this?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Deepal, my dear, this belongs to a previous exercise, I think. Is this Edwin?
Yes, sir.
And my dear all students, that this class is being recorded, will be available on YouTube and plenty of people will see. And it will be an embarrassing moment for people whose names I'm calling and who are doing such a serious mistakes, silly mistakes, I should say. So Deepal, fatafat, 10.3 exercise is going on. You are active, energetic, and you have got nice marks in class 10. So we don't expect such errors from you. Yes. Deepal, are you there? Yes. Yes. Anyone else? Piyush Chaurasia will read. Question 18th.
Yes, sir.
Piyush, please. And I request again and remind you people again that, my dears, when you are joining this class, be at most serious and get involved in the class. And I presume that everyone whose name I can see here is active enough and is continuously keeping an eye on all the solutions, whichever is going on. So, my dears, keeping those things only in mind, I ask the questions from you. So, if you are not minutely observing the solutions, you will not be able to answer. Even though you know the things, you know the concept, you know the calculation, everything you know. But if you are not following the steps, you may not answer. So I request that please keep an eye. है ना? Yes. Piyush, question 18th, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If P is the length of perpendicular from the origin to the line whose
Yes.
intercept on the axis are A and B,
Okay.
then show that 1 upon P square equals to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square.
Okay. Show that 1 upon P square equal to 1 upon A square plus 1 upon B square. This we have to show. And it is given that length of perpendicular from origin on which, on a line whose intercepts on the axes are A unit and B unit respectively. So its a rough figure will be somewhat like this. If the line is there on x-axis, it cuts a line segment which is of A unit length, right? And on y-axis, it gives a B unit intercept. And from origin, if you draw a perpendicular on the line, this length is P. So we have a formula for length of perpendicular from point x1, y1 on the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0, as we have used in the previous question. This formula is magnitude of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. Okay, and P is given, we'll use this formula, but I need equation of line. So let us write first of all equation of line. What should be equation of line?
Use
Sir,
intercept
x
form.
upon a plus y upon b equal to 1.
Yes, this is a standard intercept form. Equation of a line which makes intercepts A and B units on x-axis and y-axis is this. I have written equation of line. Now, if you want, you can take this constant in left side, because in this formula, this is in left side. So x upon a plus y upon b minus 1 equal to 0. Now, its length, its perpendicular length from origin P is equal to, and use this formula. From origin means 0, 0. So from 0, 0, the length of this line, what it should be? The distance of this line, perpendicular distance word I should use better. Distance from origin, what it should be? Use this formula. x1, y1 is 0, 0. The line is this. So what should I write? What is happening here? A as it is, x multiplier as it is, and x is replaced by x coordinate. Same thing will happen here. X multiplier is 1 upon a as it is, and x will be replaced by x coordinate, plus y multiplier means y 1 upon b as it is, multiplied with y coordinate. Are you watching? 0. Then constant as it is, magnitude whole divided by root of a square plus b square. A and b are what? X multiplier and y multiplier. So what is x multiplier here? 1 upon a square of that plus 1 upon b square of that. Simplify, and I hope this equation you will get very easily. So let us simplify. So if I simplify, this is going to be P is equal to 1 upon, magnitude of minus 1 is 1 only, root of 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square. To bring this equation, what next step I should do? Students?
Squaring both sides.
Squaring both sides, and let us take inverse also. Squaring and inverting both sides upside down, है ना? That is. So 1 upon p square equal to 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square. That's it. This only you have to prove, and you have got. So if you take analysis of overall solution, very simple. First of all, equation of line I have written. This formula I have used. I have simplified. Only 3 steps are there. That's it. So this completes our exercise 10.3, and let us move towards our miscellaneous exercise. Yes, someone read. Tanmay, Meena, will you read miscellaneous exercise first question? Tanmay, please read. All the students, please see, everyone, miscellaneous exercise question 1. Yeah. Okay. Can you repeat the equation, Tanmay? K minus 3 into x. Okay. Plus 6 equal to 0. Is A part, B part, and C part? Okay. So I have to get the value of K in following cases. So how to do this? Parallel to x-axis. If it is parallel to
So slope
x-axis,
same होगा.
yes, slope will be 0. And let me get the slope first. What should be the slope of this line? Minus a upon b. How much? How much should be the slope of this line? Students, how much should be the slope of this line?
So k minus 3
K
divided
minus
by
3.
4 minus k square.
Exactly. K minus a value is k minus 3 whole upon b. B is minus of 4 minus k square. Minus minus cancelled, and this is k minus 3 upon 4 minus k square. Now, if it is parallel to x-axis, it means with x-axis it will make 0 degree. Means tan 0 is 0. Its slope is 0. Means slope will be 0. And slope value you can keep k minus 3 upon 4 minus k square equal to 0, which will give you very, very easily k equal to 3. Now, if it is parallel to y-axis, then with x-axis it will make 90 degree. Then its slope will be tan 90. Tan 90 is how much? Not defined, isn't? So slope will be not defined or infinity. Then put the value of slope which you have got, k minus 3 upon 4 minus k square equal to not defined. Then tell me for what value of k this term will not be defined. Tell me for
So
what.
plus minus 2.
Yeah, for if the denominator is 0, are you watching, students? I hope this is clear to you. If the denominator is 0, then if the denominator is 0, then this will not be defined. So if it is not defined, it means that its denominator is 0. तो इसको डिनोमिनेटर को 0 के इक्वल लिख दीजिए, लिख दिया, और इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए. तो k square equal to 4, which means k equals to
Plus minus 2.
plus minus 2. And students, this is. Now C part. C part was passing through origin. Origin means 0, 0. Passing through origin, passing through 2, 3. Then what we used to do? we put x equal to 2, y equal to 3 in the equation. The same work here also let us do, and you will get the value of k very easy, because it is this line, है ना, इसका कुछ नाम दे देते हैं, line 1 suppose it is, है ना, and you can write that since line 1, yes, since line 1 is passing through origin, since line 1 is passing through origin, it means that putting x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, where in the equation of line. So let us substitute. So this is going to be k minus 3 into 0 will be 0, minus 4 minus k square into 0 will be 0, plus the constant term, which is k square minus 7k plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, only this will remain, k square minus 7k plus 6. Let us factorize it. So k square minus 7k plus 6 equal to 0. What should be its factorization, students?
1 and 6.
1 and 6, quite right. K minus 1, k minus 6 equal to 0, which means k equal to 1 and 6, 1 or 6. This is, something, friends. First part was parallel to x-axis. Always remember, parallel to x-axis means slope will be 0. Second part was parallel to y-axis. Always keep in mind that if a line is parallel to y-axis, it will make 90 degree with x-axis. So 1090, slope will be infinity. And passing through origin, हमने x की जगह 0, y की जगह 0 put करा दिया. We got the value of k. That's it. This was question 1. Let us move towards the next question. Somebody from C section, read question number 2. Karthik Verma, will you read question 2 of miscellaneous exercise? Karthik Verma, are you there? No answer from Karthik's side. Rajesh Kumar Verma, will you read question 2? Rajesh Kumar Verma, he also seems to be in a, yes. Rajesh, are you there? Yes, question number 2, please read, of miscellaneous exercise. Check, I have written correct. Root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So this is the normal form of this equation. Root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. And I have to get the value of theta and p. Rajesh, do you remember that if I have to convert this equation in normal form, what I need to do first thing? Do you remember? Rajesh, any suggestion? Yes. Yes. 2 को उस साइड में ले जाएंगे, बिल्कुल. और बिल्कुल, because right hand side is a distance from origin, so it should be positive. So first of all, multiply with minus sign, and so that it should be positive. Very good. Done. What next? Let a is equal to minus root 3, b is equal to minus 1. Then we find a quantity. What quantity we find?
So root of a square plus b square.
Yeah, we will find root of a square plus b square, we'll find out. Correct. So if I find out root of a square plus b square, this is going to be root of minus root 3 whole square, which will be 3, plus root of minus 1 whole square, which will be 1, root 4, which is 2. Divide by 2 throughout the equation. So dividing by 2, and this will give you minus root 3 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 into y equals to 2 by 2. Are you following, students? This equation we have divided by 2, both the sides. So I have got this thing. And now what you do, x multiplier, whatever it is, you declare it as cos theta. So now let minus root 3 by 2 assign the value as cos theta and minus 1 by 2 as sin theta. Let us divide them, and this will give you tan theta, and tan theta will become how much? Minus half upon minus root 3 by 2. How much, students? Tan theta?
So
1
30
upon
degree.
3. I have to get theta, and note that your theta should be in which quadrant?
First quadrant.
Are you watching? Theta should be in which quadrant?
Third.
Third
Third
quadrant.
quadrant.
Yes, because your sine and cos both are negative. Are you following? Cos is negative, sine is negative. So you have to examine both. Sin theta भी देखना है, cos theta भी दोनों नेगेटिव है. ये सिर्फ थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में होता है. तो ध्यान में रखिए, मन में रखिए कि you need your angle in third quadrant. Now proceed. I have tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 3, and 1 upon root 3 actually is tan of how much?
Pi by 6.
Pi by 6, 30 degree. But I will not conclude that theta is equal to pi by 6, because pi by 6 will go in first quadrant and it will create conflicts with the given these two equations. So I will not write theta equal to pi by 6. What I am going to do this using this formula pi
Pi
plus
plus pi by 6.
Yes, you should note that tan pi plus pi by 6 will be same as tan pi by 6. And now it will reach in third quadrant. Right, tan pi plus pi by 6, pi plus pi by 6 will go in third quadrant, and then tan 7 pi by 6 it is. So here theta is 7 pi by 6, almost done. So normal form will be, now pick this. So normal form is x cos theta, theta we have got 7 pi by 6, plus y sine theta 7 pi by 6 is equal to right hand side, which was 2. So theta is 7 pi by 6 and p is equal to 2. So theta is 7 pi by 6 and p is equal to 2. This is the conclusion and the values of theta and pi by 6. So got it, students? So this was question number, which one? Question number?
सर पी जो इक्वेशन थी उसके ना 2 से डिवाइड करना, तो 2 भी तो डिवाइड होगा ना 2 से.
I'm sorry, 2 भी
पी
divide
1 होएगा.
हाँ तो 1 आया ना. हाँ sorry, this is not 2, this is 1 actually. 1. So P is 1 actually. Very right. P is 1. Correct. तो इसी तरह आप आंसर प्लीज चेक करते रहा कीजिए, because I may make a mistake. Right. P is 1. Correct. Thank you. So let us move towards next question. Question number 3. Someone, Kuldeep Swarnkar, will you read question 3? Kuldeep Swarnkar, are you there? Kuldeep Swarnkar is not responding. Kuldeep Shakyawal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Question number 3, please you read. And
Find the equation of the lines which cut off intercepts on the axis whose sum and product are 1 and minus 6 respectively.
Okay. Third question. So, any suggestion? What should we do? Kuldeep?
Sir, first
Hmm.
graph.
ग्राफ इंटरसेप्ट की बात हो रही है तो मैंने इंटरसेप्ट मान लिए. चलो ए एंड बी इन जनरल ड्रॉ.
Sir, a plus b equal to 1
हाँ बिल्कुल. And
and a minus a into b equal to minus 6.
okay, and this is given, correct?
Yes, sir.
And if intercept are a and b, then equation is what?
Sir, x by a plus y by b equal to 1.
बिल्कुल. Equation of line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. बिल्कुल ये होती है इक्वेशन, और ये चीजें मुझे गिवन है. तो इन गिवन इक्वेशन की हेल्प से कैन आई फाइंड a and b?
Yes, sir.
Any suggestion? Kuldeep Shakiwal, Kuldeep,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me that
Yes, sir.
how to get a and b out of these two?
Sir, from a b equal to minus 6, get the value of a equal to minus 6 by b, put in 1.
Yes, and that I'll put it here, है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके, यही मैं शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ. एक और तरीका भी है कि a माइनस बी निकाल लिया. वो फॉर्मूला है ना, a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर माइनस
वो मत करो सर.
minus 4ab वहां से. But this I like, this is nice. B equals to, from here, B equals to minus 6 upon A, and this I am going to put in A plus B equal to 1. So A plus B equal to 1. B I will replace with minus 6 upon A. Take LCM. A square minus 6 is equal to A. I multiplied with A in the equation. Now take everything in one side. A square minus A minus 6 equal to 0. Factorize. A square minus 3A plus 2A minus 6 equal to 0. And A common, A minus 3 minus, sorry, plus 2 common, A minus 3 equal to 0. Right? And this will give you, A minus 3 into A plus 2 equal to 0. And this will give you A is equal to 3 or A is equal to minus 2. So B also, let us calculate. B will be how much? If A is 3, B will be how much? Minus 6 upon 3 minus 2. And if A is equal to minus 2, then B will be how much? B will be minus 6 upon A. B will be 3. Okay. So two sets you have got, A equal to 3, B equal to minus 2. Either this value or A is equal to minus 2, B equal to 3. So two answers you will get. So equation of line, what should be equation of line? Is x upon A plus y upon B equal to 1. Let us put the value x upon 3 plus y upon minus 2 equal to 1, or x upon minus 2 plus y upon 3 equals to 1. You can check it. Is this right, students? Please check it and tell me, is this right? Ankit Jangir, is this right? Answer is right? Please tell me someone. And it's, I hope it should be right. Let us move towards the next question. Next question, question number 4. Ravi Kumar, will you read question 4th?
Yes, sir.
Ravi, question 4, please. Ravi, can you check and tell that this answer is right?
सर वो सिंपलीफाइड फॉर्म में दे रखा है एलसीएम लेके.
They
सर
have?
वो एलसीएम लेके सिंपलीफाइड फॉर्म में दे रखा है.
Okay, okay. No problem. Students can simplify and they can match the answer exactly. Okay. Yes, Ravi. Please read question number 4. And students,
What are
please
the
keep an
points?
eye. Yes.
What are the points on the y-axis
Mm-hmm.
whose distance from
Hmm.
whose distance from the line x upon 3 plus y upon 4 is equals to 1
Hmm.
is 4 units.
Is how much? 4
4
units.
units. 4. हाँ sir.
Okay. So they are asking what are points on y-axis whose distance from this line x upon 3 plus y upon 4 equal to 1 is 4 unit. So let
Yes,
us
sir.
assume a point on y-axis.
Yes, sir.
So Ravi, can you suggest me how to assume a point on y-axis? Let
0 comma y.
yes, how much?
0 comma y.
0 comma y. Bilkul. Let a point on y-axis is 0 comma y. Now, better if I convert in general equation. I'm going to multiply with LCM 12. 12 से multiply कर रहा हूँ. So 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. It will become. Now its distance from this 4x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. From 0 comma y, find out the distance. Distance is given 4 unit. So distance P is equal to 4 is equal to the formula ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root a square plus b square. Apply. Ax1 means 4 into x की जगह पे 0, 4 into 0 plus 3 into y coordinate is y minus 12 whole magnitude divided by root of a square plus b square, 4 square plus 3 square. So this will be how much? This is going to be 4 is equal to 3y minus 12 whole magnitude divided by 16 plus 9, 25, 5 it is. Cross multiply, this will give you 3y minus 12 whole magnitude is equal to 20. Now tell me, what should I do next to solve this modulus equation?
सर प्लस माइनस लगा दो मॉड्यूलस के वहाँ पे.
Yes.
सर 2 केस ले लेंगे.
Yes. So you should know that when we have to solve a modulus equation, modulus means plus minus, two cases. So on either side, you can attach plus minus and you can remove modulus sign. So I'm writing like this, 3y minus 12 is equal to plus minus 20. Two cases, 3y minus 12 equal to 20. And the other case, 3y minus 12 equal to minus 20. Get the value of y. This will give you 3y equal to 32 or y equal to 32 upon 3. And this will give you 3y equal to 12 minus 20. How much 12 minus 20? Minus 8.
-8.
So y is equal to minus 8 upon 3. But y की वैल्यू नहीं निकालनी है आपको. आपको तो कुछ और बताना था. क्या बताना था? Point on x-axis you were asked, which we assumed 0 comma y. So let us write point when you have got y. So point on y-axis is, so desired point on y-axis is, desired point on y-axis is 0 comma y, 0 comma 32 upon 3 or 0 comma minus 8 upon 3. I hope this should be the right answer. Students, please check. Is this right? I hope it should be right. This was question number 4. So let us move towards question number 5. Someone, Praved, will you read question number 5? Praved?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, question number 5.
Find the perpendicular distance from the origin to the line joining the points cos theta, comma sin.
1 minute. Can you repeat, Praved?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Points are cos theta, comma sin theta, and cos phi, comma sin phi.
And what I have to do?
Sir, the distance of the perpendicular from the origin to the line joining these points.
Okay, so I have to get the distance of perpendicular on the line joining these points. So you
From
said the
origin.
point is A and B. So AB equation we have to get first, है ना?
Yes, sir.
And then its length from perpendicular from 0, 0 we will find by using this formula. Perpendicular distance find out करने का एक formula है that P is equal to AX1 plus BY1 plus C upon root of A square plus B square. Praved, you tell me that
Yes, sir.
equation of AB.
So equation of AB. So y minus sin phi, sin theta is
Yes,
equals to
yes.
sin phi minus sin theta.
Praved,
Yes,
can,
sir.
can you tell me
Yes.
first formula? Can you tell me first formula?
So y minus y1
Hmm.
is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1.
Correct. Now put the value of these x1, y1 and x2, y2 and tell what should I write?
So y minus sin theta
Hmm.
is equals to sin phi minus sin theta
Okay.
upon cos phi minus cos theta
Okay.
multiplied by x minus cos theta and apply transformation formula.
Okay. Now I will apply this formula. So 0, 0, I have equation. You suggest, student, what should I do? Should I?
सर ट्रांसफॉर्म फॉर्मूला आंसर में क्योंकि वो ट्रांसफॉर्म करके दे रखा है
Yes. Should I cross
तो
multiply?
पहले क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो.
Cross
सर नहीं
multiply.
पहले ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सही रहेगा कॉम्प्लेक्स हो सकता है आगे
तो यहाँ पे अदरवाइज आई हैव टू यूज साइन ए माइनस साइन बी फॉर्म. दो ऑप्शन है,
यस सर
क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे या फिर इसका ये फॉर्मूला इसको वो कर देता हूँ, साइन ए माइनस साइन बी. ठीक है, टाइम लग सकता है बट नो प्रॉब्लम. साइन ए माइनस साइन बी, लेट अस डू. साइन ए माइनस साइन बी इज 2 cos a plus b by 2. It will become 2 cos phi plus theta whole by 2 into sin phi minus theta whole by 2 whole upon 2 cos a minus cos b is 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin b minus a whole upon 2. So 2 sin phi plus theta whole by 2 into sin b minus a theta minus phi whole by 2. 2 get cancelled. Sin this term will get cancelled and one minus will come because this is phi minus theta, this is theta minus phi into x minus cos theta. So this is going to be minus, if I take this will get cancelled, so minus cos theta plus phi whole upon 2 whole upon it may not be visible, board clear कर रहा हूँ. Yeah. So this will be y minus sin theta equals to minus cos theta plus phi whole by 2 whole upon sin theta plus phi whole by 2 into x minus cos theta. So if I cross multiply y into sin theta plus phi whole by 2 minus sin theta into sin theta plus phi whole by 2.
सर
Yes.
सर ये लास्ट में cos x माइनस cos y तो -2 होता है ना.
वो मैंने b माइनस ए कर दिया, एक ही बात है, कोई बात नहीं. मैं -2 करके यहाँ पे थी पाई माइनस थीटा लिख देता हूँ, एक ही बात है. ठीक है, अब सही है. a माइनस बी -2 साइन a प्लस बी बाई 2 साइन a माइनस बी बाई 2. तो मैंने माइनस हटा के यहाँ b माइनस ए कर दिया था, कोई बात नहीं, दोनों ही एक ही चीज है. नाउ दिस गेट कैंसल्ड, minus will remain, minus I have written. Okay, then equal to minus x cos theta plus phi whole by 2 minus minus plus cos theta into cos theta plus phi whole by 2. ठीक है, नाउ इसको थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, फिर हम वो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला यूज करने जा रहे हैं. So this is going to be, now taking everything in one side, minus x cos is I'm taking in left side. It will become x cos theta plus phi whole upon 2 plus y sin theta plus phi whole upon 2. Okay, minus common I'll take, and cos theta plus phi whole upon 2. Minus common I have taken, so plus sin theta plus phi whole upon 2. Now somebody tell me what is the value of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B?
cos of a minus b
Correct, cos of A minus B it will become. So let us do that. This will become cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, means cos of A minus B. So cos of A minus b. Simplify, and this is going to be 2 theta minus theta will be theta minus phi whole upon 2 equal to 0. Okay, now distance, it's distance from 0, 0. Apply that formula, ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. So will be equal to magnitude of ax1. A is cos theta plus phi whole upon 2 into, in place of x, x coordinate will come, means 0, plus by1. B is sin theta plus phi whole by 2 into y1 is y coordinate, 0 will come, plus c. C is minus cos theta minus phi whole by 2. So minus cos theta minus phi whole by 2, magnitude closed, whole upon root of a square plus b square, cos square theta plus phi whole by 2 plus sin square theta plus phi whole by 2. Denominator will become how much, students? Denominator will become 1. 0, 0, magnitude of this minus and magnitude will be removed, cos theta minus phi whole by 2. This is the final answer. Right, you can check it. They may have given it in the expanded form. They might have cross multiplied directly without using formula, or it may match exactly. Check the answer and tell, is this the answer they have given or something else? Modular sign also, if you want, you can close it. Praved, is this right answer?
सर लगता है वो क्रॉस वाला दे रखा है साइन को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइड फॉर्म नहीं दे रखा है
Okay, they may not have given in half angle form, right? So they might not have used that formula which we have used, cos A minus cos B or sin A minus sin B. They might have multiplied directly. No issue. This is also beautiful, synthesized, simple.
सर दिया तो है
Yes. क्या चीज? Yes,
तो
Praveen?
कुछ नहीं
So this is quite right. Right now the time is 10:55. This is up to
सर
5th
बुक में cos phi minus theta divided by 2 दिया है.
cos. हाँ,
phi
वो तो
minus theta.
एक चीज और कि जब मैंने ये अप्लाई किया था यहाँ पे cos A minus cos B, I could have done it cos theta plus phi whole by 2 minus theta also. You should know one thing, that cos minus x is same as cos x. ठीक है, from trigonometry chapter. So either you write theta minus phi whole by 2 or you write phi minus theta whole by 2. It is same thing. ठीक है, and साइन भी होता तो भी ये बाहर मॉडुलस साइन था, वो इक्वल करा देता, बट खैर तो यहाँ कॉस ही इक्वल है दोनों, चाहे आप कॉस माइनस एक्स बोलो चाहे कॉस एक्स बोलो, दोनों इक्वल है. सो दे आर सेम थिंग, डजंट मैटर. यू कैन राइट फाइव माइनस थीटा आल्सो. ठीक है, नो इशू. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज सेशन. Here I am concluding this class. Thank you, students.